Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the SOU Unit 2 MCQs 2017 Regulation UNIST syllabus. First question, how many major roles in SOA? The options are 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 2. They are service provider and service consumer. Next question, Dash is coordinated interaction of services without a single point of control. The options are service choreography, service orchestration, service reusability, all the above. The answer is service choreography. Services might aggregate information and data retrieved from other services or create workflows of services to satisfy the request of a given service consumer is also known as the options are service choreography, service orchestration, service reusability, all the above. The answer is service orchestration. Next question, which is not a principle of SOA? The options are reusability, autonomy, discoverability, tight coupling. The answer is tight coupling because these these are the principles of SOA: reusability, autonomy, discoverability, and low coupling. That means you lose coupling, composability, stateless, operability. These are the principles of SOA. Tight coupling is not a principle of SOA. Next question, loose coupling related to. The options are maximize dependency on other service, minimize dependency on other service, centralized control, hiding the logic. The answer is minimize dependency on other service. Next question, which gives the effective utilization of third party services? The answers are composability, reusability, discoverability, coupling. The answer is discoverability. Next question, abstraction is the options are maximize dependency, minimize dependency, centralized control, hiding the logic. The answer is abstraction is hiding the logic. Next question, service orchestration and choreography provides the dash. The options are composability, reusability, discoverability, coupling. The answer is composability because these both are come under the composability principle. Next question, even complex operations can be implemented by SOA because of dash principle. The answer is composability. Next question, which is not suitable for SOA? Availability, reliability, scalability, platform dependent, high investment. The answer is platform dependent because SOA is a platform independent. Platform dependent is not suitable for SOA. Next question, which is not suitable for SOA? Reusability, easy maintenance, cost effective, high overhead, complex service management. The answer is cost effective because SOA is needs the high investment. So this is not true about the SOA. Next question, who sends the service request? The options are service provider and service consumer. We already seen that these are the major roles in SOA. Service consumer will send the request to the service provider. Who sends the service response? Service provider is the answer because after a request from the consumer, provider will provide the service. Next question, SO is an example for dash. Single unit fine grind, coarse grind. The answer is coarse grind. How many types of services in SOA? The options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 4. They are business, enterprise, application, infrastructure. Next question, service oriented process is implemented in a layer between business process and dash layer. The options are active, application, transport, network. The answer is application layer. Next question, Dash purpose is to provide reusable function. The options are active application transport network. The answer is application purpose is to provide reusable function. That means application layer will provide this function. Next question, application layer classify into dash 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 3. They are utility service, wrapper service, proxy service. Next question, dash provide reusable function. Utility service will provide the reusable functions. Event logging creating unique number under notification or example of. The options are utility service, wrapper service, proxy service. The answer is utility service. Dash is a service which translates service calls between two different client service protocol. The answer is proxy service. Dash, also known as auto-generated WSTL. The answer is proxy service. Dash types business service models are available. 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. The answer is 2 types. 2 types of business models are available. They are task-centric business service and entity-centric business service. Task-centric business service is provides dash limited reusable, highly reusable. Limited reusable is provided by task-centric and highly reusable will be provided by entity-centric. Dash is the systematic arrangement of computerized automation solution. Structure, architecture, infrastructure, none of the above. The answer is architecture. Architecture is the systematic arrangement of computerized automation solution. Entity-centric business service provides highly reusable. Which architecture provides abstract physical and logical representation of the technical blueprint, common data models, communication flow diagrams, application wide security requirements, aspect of infrastructure. The options are application enterprise SOA. Application architecture will provide these kind of functions. Dash is a conceptual blueprint that defines the structure and operation of an organization. The options are application, enterprise, SOE. The answer is enterprise. Dash architecture is composed of two or more application architecture. The options are application architecture, enterprise architecture, SOA. The answer is enterprise architecture. Dash architectures often contain a long-term vision of how the organization plans to evolve its technology and environment. The options are application architecture, enterprise architecture, then SOA architecture. The answer is enterprise architecture. It will provide a long-term vision of how the organization plans to evolve its technology and the environment. Enterprise architecture contains how many perspectives? The options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 4. They are business perspective, application perspective, information perspective, and technology perspective. Next question, Dash defines the hardware, operating system, programming, and networking solution used by the organization. The options are business perspective, application perspective, information perspective, technology perspective. The answer is technology perspective. Technology perspective defines the hardware or operating system, programming, and networking solution used by the organization. Dash defines and classifies the raw data. The answer is information. Here, raw data itself mentions about the information. Dash perspective defines the interaction among the processes and the standards used by the organization? The answer is application perspective. Dash defines the processes and standards by which the business operates. The answer is business perspective because here itself it mentions about the process and standards about the business operations. Next question. The WS extensibility platform is based on the principle of dash. The options are reusability, composability, availability, standard service contract. The answer is composability. Next question. SOA provides confidentiality through WS atomic transaction, WS encryption, WS security, WS extensibility. The answer is WS encryption. SOA provides data integration through the options are WS atomic transaction, WS encryption, WS security, WS extensibility. The answer is WS atomic transaction. Next question. The abbreviations in the second unit are CEP. CEP is abbreviated as complex event processing. EA is abbreviated as enterprise architecture. SOA is service oriented architecture. Constructing or combining more than one service to consult a complex service is referred as service dash. The options are reuse, composition, modularity, availability. This is called as service composition. SOA is the client can share the resources on demand. This is true or false. The options are true and false. The answer is true because SOA can share the resources on demand. The assert and facet are assembled to form software service is called as the options are asserting, wrapping, assert wrapping, organizing. The answer is assert wrapping. Thanks for watching.